If you want to get the common question in your board ICSE class 10, you can practice the question answer from the shorts of this YouTube channel. This type of question definitely will come in your examination, and this question from the book Concise. See the first answer. Very important question. You can practice this type of question from the shorts. First, give two example of each. First, oxoacid. Oxoacid means acid with oxygen. So you can write nitric acid, sulfuric acid. See, oxy means oxygen, acid means H atom. Oxy means oxygen, acid means H atom. So these are the example of first. Now hydracid. Hydracid means an acid, hydrogen attached with non-metal, HCl, HBr. Now third, tribasic acid, 3 hydrogen, H3PO4, name is phosphoric acid. And another important acid is C3H5O COOH whole 3, name is citric acid. Now last, dibasic acid. Dibasic acid you can write sulfuric acid and oxalic acid. Formula of oxalic acid is this, whole 2, name is oxalic acid. This question is very important for your board, so memorize the name and the formula of all the acids. Thank you.